Hey guys, welcome back to Mike's Double Edge. Yes, same day as the shoutouts. But it's unboxing time. A good fellow shaver, DJ Jubs, William Cox, sent me some stuff. Let's get into it and see what he sent me. I have already opened this. But at the time I opened it, I couldn't do a video. So we're doing a video now. So he sent me Pearl Slant Safety Razor with SS 316L handle. Take it out and show you what it looks like. Comes with instructions. Should say shaving guide. Here's the razor. Comes with cloth, I guess. Pack of Willie's blade. Put the stuff back in there. Mastering precision. Start from the bottom. Gotta get it back in there. No, I haven't used this yet. Of course, I always wait till after the unboxings to use stuff. Some arcade blades. Haven't used those or seen those yet. New improved. Bad Santa by MacDuff Soap Company. This is what it looks like on the inside. I mean, it doesn't smell too bad. It's a unique smell. It's one you got to get used to. There is one in here I'm not a huge fan of. Neither was Chubbs. Let's save that one for last. But this one's not too bad. Got Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. Fireworks. A blast of nostalgia. This one isn't horrible. I can get used to this one too. It's not bad. It kind of actually smells kind of good. Here's the one that's very, very strong. Not a huge fan of it. He wasn't either. Let's get the lid back on. Space of July. He says it smells like a burning house. Yep, burning a house or really wet burnt wood, kind of gives you a headache and makes you want to barf. But I'm gonna try it. See if it may smell better lathered up. But we'll see. Here's the matching aftershave cologne. Let's see if this matches the smell. Sorry, that was a weird noise. Yep. I don't know how they got a liquid to smell like that, but they did. Whew. What's this? Oh. It's a decent smelling one. It'd probably go good with the pipe den I got from the sample pipe den from Solar Art Soaps. Tobacco flower. Yeah, it smells good. It's a post-shave balm. By Moon Soaps. I'd like to try that one. Haven't gotten in though, this one yet. Bad Santa aftershave. Had some pressure. It smells kind of good. Yeah, I think the aftershave smells better than the soap, but yeah, I'll take it. All right, let's believe this is probably for the fireworks one. Holy cow. I got it. Thought I was going to have to get my knife there for a second. Fireworks aftershave. I knew it was coming. Yeah, some of these I didn't take out in the when I opened it. See if it smells just as. Oh, this is the fireworks. See if it smells just like the fireworks. Oops. Tab. I don't mind that. I thought for a second the Bad Santa and the fireworks smelled similar. They kind of do, but the Bad Santa has slightly different scents in them. But yes, that was the unboxing. And I can't wait to use a lot of this stuff. Of course, I'm not going to use it all at once. I'm going to spread it apart. Because, of course, I still have other content to do. But I will be using this stuff. Just like everyone else's. Throughout time. Time after time. But, yeah, that was the unboxing. And thank you, Chubbs. I can't wait to use them, especially with slant razor. I'm curious about that. It looked a little funky to me. Not used to something like that, but excited to try it out, and because it's new, and I can't wait to get a rack for all my razors and rack for all my brushes, and maybe something to hold these in. But yep, that was it for now, and I hope you all enjoyed that. I'm sorry it wasn't a whole lot of info. But yeah, that was it. Hope you all enjoyed it, and see you next time.